In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add project notes in DaVinci Resolve 20, step by step, so you can keep your ideas, reminders, to-do lists, and editing instructions all organized inside the project itself. This is a really useful feature if you want to leave notes for yourself, work more efficiently, or collaborate with someone else on the same timeline. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, and let's jump right in. First, make sure you're inside DaVinci Resolve 20 and have your project open. To get started, go down to the bottom center of the interface and click the third icon from the left. This takes you to the Edit page. If you're not already on the Edit page, this is the easiest way to switch over and access the tools you need. Once you're on the Edit page, look up to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This menu contains a variety of project options, and the one we want is right inside here. From the drop-down list, select Project Notes. When you click that, DaVinci Resolve opens a dedicated Scratchpad window for the current project. This is where you can type in notes that stay attached to the project, which makes it extremely handy for keeping track of important details. Now, inside the Notes window, just click in the text area and begin typing your instructions. You can use it for editing reminders, story ideas, shot lists, color grading notes, audio tasks, revision requests, or anything else you want to remember later. If you're working with a team, this is also a great place to leave communication notes so everyone stays on the same page. One of the best parts about project notes is that they are persistent. That means when you close the window and come back later, the notes will still be there. Even if another collaborator opens the project, the notes can still be viewed, making it easier to maintain consistency throughout the editing process. When you're done typing, simply close the window. There's no complicated saving process you need to worry about here, and your notes remain stored with the project. That makes this feature fast, simple, and very practical for everyday editing work. So again, the quick process is go to the Edit page, open the File menu, choose Project Notes, type your notes, and close the window when you're finished. That's all it takes to keep your project organized inside DaVinci Resolve 20. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more editing tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.